Welcome to my great new listing at 722 Olympia Drive Southeast in Ogden, listed for $499,900. It's a great starter home.
If you're thinking about selling your home and you would like to have a video like this, please give me a call or send me a message. My email is down below.
Ogden has a very convenient location, located right next to Glenmore Trail and Deerfoot Trail.
Welcome to 722 Olympia Drive. Now this is a house that is going to be great for a first-time buyer, price is right, and has already done some renovations inside and still more that need to be done, but it's still a great property. The first thing you'll notice, the smell of this beautiful lilac tree as you're coming in, and a huge weeping birch out the front. The other great features here, you have a front drive double detached garage, access from the side, and it sides onto a dog off-leash area as well as backs onto a huge green area, also dog off-leash area. Let's go take a look inside. As we enter inside, you'll notice that this home is very wide open. You have oak hardwood floors, a newer renovated kitchen, and bright and open double French doors going out to the backyard. This living room, dining room, kitchen area is very nice. Makes the home feel very bright and open. In the kitchen, we have newer appliances, side-by-side fridge with water maker. Right beside that, we've got a built-in pantry right along the side. And in the kitchen, these are older style cabinets, but they were redone in the 80s. You have newer appliances, gas stove, gas oven, and a microwave hood fan up above. The sink is a deep sink and newer faucets. And a very nice island with extra drawers. So just off of the living room, this was renovated as a den. Great for an office space right by the front door, but it can also be used as a bedroom. You could take out these, or you could just leave it in. Put a single bed in here to be used as a child's bedroom with a work desk. Let's head down and look at the other bedrooms. So heading down the hallway here, you can see that we have the oak hardwood floors again. This is the other smaller bedroom. Then we have the master bedroom. Going into the bathroom. Again, this bathroom was renovated back in the 80s, so it's not original, but it's looking a little bit older, the style, but still very nice. Very usable bathroom area, newer vanity. Okay, let's head back out into the living room. So here we can go outside. Very nice deck. You have a very large garage as well in the back here. And then you can see very big yard. And you have this huge park beside. And it's all off-leash area, can walk your pets. This park just keeps going on and on and on. Inside the garage, this is really a workman's dream. You've got all these shelves and cupboards that are all included and will stay with the home. And lots of extra space. And then if you need extra storage space, they've put in this ladder that goes upstairs to a under the roof storage loft area. So you have lots of extra space for storage and for keeping all of your extra things that you don't use that often. So the back of the house, very nice. The shingles are being replaced. So big double garage, and you have front access right out to the street from here. Let's go back inside and take a look downstairs. So which also makes it look more wide open. They've taken out the walls here and put in a railing. So going down to the downstairs is very nice and wide open. Downstairs, you have a very big family room area, needing some carpeting and probably some redecorating. But it's a nice big area. It's already done. All the electrical is done. Then as you go to the back, there's another area here. You have another bathroom. Again, needing a little bit of work here, but not too much. Still very usable. You've got a mid-efficiency furnace and a newer hot water tank. And then there are other storage areas as well that could be made into additional bedrooms. Already framed, electrical has been done. So very quickly and easily you could make this into another bedroom den area. Overall, very nice home. Lots of renovations have been done. The main floor is great. The downstairs, leaving for your upgrades and renovations there as well. And a very affordable home. I'm sure you're going to love it. I'm Andrew Campbell with Real Broker. Don't gamble, call Campbell. If you find my video interesting and valuable for anybody thinking about moving to Calgary, please like, subscribe, and ring the bell. It helps me and it helps other people to find this video. Please leave a message in the chat as I read every message. There are so many parks around this home and areas that you can go walking. Take your dogs out for a walk. Right beside the home is an off-leash area that goes and leads to another off-leash area behind the home as well, which goes in both directions, goes for miles and miles. You're just going to love all of the green spaces that are available right next to this home in a very quiet location. Park at the side and at the back. Coming back to the home through the off-leash area, you can see how big this off-leash area is. It just keeps going and going. Here we're coming back to the house again, and you can see the green area beside the house. And as we go over the house, you can see that that green area just keeps going and going for a very
very long way. Great for taking your dog for a walk, great for just going for a stroll yourself. Very enjoyable area to live. And as we get to the end of this green area, on the left-hand side, you can see that there's a tot lot there. If you keep going through the area to the west, you will end up at the Bow River, and a beautiful green area park that goes all the way along the ridge and continues on. You end up at Beaver Dam Flats. The Ogden area is so conveniently located, right next to Glenmore Trail and Deerfoot Trail. If you head under Glenmore Trail on the bike path, you end up at Carburn Park. And here you can see how close you are to downtown. Glenmore Trail and Deerfoot Trail will take you anywhere in the city in a very short time. You may not be aware of this, but the Bow River is one of the best places to go fly fishing in the world. People come from all over the world traveling here to go fishing in the Bow River. And just to the south of Carburn Park and across the Bow River is the Sue Higgins Dog Park. This is one of the nicest dog parks in all of Calgary. You can bring your dogs here in the summer or the winter to go splashing around in the Bow River. The water might be a bit cold in the winter, but the dogs don't mind. The Sue Higgins Dog Park is one of the nicest and one of the safest places to bring your pets to run around. The off-leash areas are separated from the pathway areas, so there's no chance of interaction between bicycles and your dog. And when you come back to your home at 722 Olympia Drive, you will really enjoy how quiet and peaceful it is. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see my other videos, please like, subscribe, and ring the bell to be notified of the next video on my channel, Living and Moving to Calgary, Alberta.